In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Regions mobile branches and ATMs near you, step by step. In our increasingly digital world, knowing how to find a physical location for your banking needs is essential. Quite often, you might find yourself in need of a nearby branch or ATM for those services that just can't be handled online. Let's dive in and guide you through the process of locating those Regions Bank mobile branches and ATMs with ease. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Regions Bank website. Specifically, you'll want to visit view.regions.com/digital banking mobile banking. This is the landing page dedicated to digital and mobile banking services, providing a great starting point for all the online features Regions has to offer. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon consisting of horizontal lines, commonly referred to as the hamburger menu. Clicking on this will reveal a variety of options. Scroll through this menu until you find the Locations option, and go ahead and select it. This will redirect you to the page where you can easily search for branches and ATMs. Now that you're on the Locations page, you'll notice several search options available to tailor your query. Here, you can enter a zip code or city and state into the search bar. This is particularly useful if you're looking for the nearest branches in a specific area. Alternatively, you can browse all branches and ATMs by state. To do this, simply click on the drop-down menu provided. This feature makes it straightforward if you're planning a trip or need to find a branch along your travel route. An additional tip: once you find a list of locations, each entry will typically provide detailed information such as branch hours, available services, and directions. This ensures you have everything you need to plan your visit accordingly. Taking advantage of this user-friendly layout not only saves time, but also reduces the stress that can come with locating a branch or ATM while on the go. Whether you're new to Regions or simply seeking clarity on their digital tools, this feature is designed with the convenience of users in mind. So, there you have it, a clear and simple way to find Regions mobile branches and ATMs using the bank's online resources. Remember, having direct access to this information allows you to focus more on your banking needs and less on logistics. We hope this tutorial was helpful, providing you with the confidence to navigate this aspect of digital banking. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guides.